So, yeah, this one's been on the list for a minute, and I'm kind of hyped to finally share it. The Expandable mini player, wrapped up as a Claude Code skill. You know the interaction, that little bar at the bottom of Apple Music, Spotify, whatever. You tap it, it blooms into a full screen player, the artwork morphs, the background scales down, the whole thing just feels premium. That's what this skill gives you. One command, fully working, ready to customize. And honestly, this is exactly the kind of thing that makes skills so valuable, because building this from scratch is not a quick afternoon. You're dealing with a second UI window layer, custom hit testing, match geometry across two view states, velocity-based pan gestures, core image color sampling for the gradient. It's a lot of moving pieces, and any one of them being slightly off makes the whole thing feel janky instead of polished. You could ask Claude to build me a mini player in a normal chat, and it'll give you something that compiles, sure. But it won't know about the pass-through-window pattern. It won't add velocity tracking on the dismiss. It won't sample your artwork's average color. The skill encodes all of those decisions, all of that craft. You taught Claude once, and now it delivers that same quality bar every single time. And that's the real power move for solo devs. It compounds. You build a podcast app next month, meditation app with an expandable now playing bar. Same skill, different skin. 5 minutes of customization, not an afternoon of UI kit plumbing. The animation system just works. Your job is making it yours. Restyle the mini bar, build out the expanded view with scrubbers, lyrics, a queue, whatever fits your app. All right, here's how to set it up. Grab the zip below. I drop the full skill folder in there. Drag it into Claude Code and ask it to create a skill out of it. After that, it's literally just /expandable mini player in any project. Swap the artwork, change the title, tweak the animation curves, go wild. And hey, if you improve it, send it back. Seriously, if you add something cool, a haptic pattern on the drag, a blurred background, whatever, share it with the crew. That's how these skills get smarter over time. We all build on each other's work and everybody's apps get better. That's the whole point of doing this together. All right, keep crafting, keep shipping. Peace.